Well, let's see. After 36 minutes of poking, prodding, and forceful insertion, we are out of here. Had to get a couple things done, including a flu shot, which, actually, they were doing a little bit different this year. What they're doing this year is, instead of the traditional way they do that flu shot about, you know, like the needle having to go all the way into your muscle and shit. Well, now it actually just goes into your skin, so it's not as deep. And I didn't really notice a whole lot of difference with it. However, the only thing, if I had to find a real difference with it, was it didn't hurt more, but it lasted longer. But on the flip side of that, when you get a normal flu shot, your arm is like hella sore for the entire freaking day after that, starting about 5-10 minutes after it happens. But not sore at all. I'm not even feeling it. It just felt like a little sting. Oh god, I remember when I was a kid, I was deathly afraid of shots and needles. I mean, I'd be freaking crying my eyes out, you know, the day of me getting a shot. I mean, it was bad. And every time I would go to a doctor's appointment, I'd be like, "Mommy, Daddy, I'm not getting a shot, am I?" Like, "No, son, you're not getting a shot." Which sometimes wasn't always true. So, no matter what they said, I was always really cautious about that. So yeah, maybe that's what led to the trust issues with my parents these days, but... ah, shit. Holy shit nuggets. That is too much traffic. Screw this, I'm going that way. Whoa. Scares me, everybody. Babbity boobity balls. Let's try this again. It scares me every time somebody does that. Because I have learned... ah, dicks. So... it always sketches me out just a wee bit when somebody does that. Fuck! Use your... I need a heavier... ah, fuck. I need a heavier weight fork oil in here, because when I get on these brakes, it just dives forward. Bouncy, bouncy.
I'll be with you in 1 moment.
Alright.
Sorry about your wait. What can I get you?
Yeah, I'd like an order of cinnamon cocks.
I'm sorry.
Cinnamon cocks. I'm just messing with you, man. So yeah, I work there. I was just playing a joke on my friend who was running the drive-thru. I just decided to lighten up their day a little bit. Feel free to try that. Excuse me, I don't know exactly how well it's going to work over for you, because sometimes they can get a little bit impatient with shit like that. So I mean, if you're going to do it, just do it with caution. Hi, I'm Valentino Rossi. Alright, I'm one for the MotorPickle. But yeah, so that's gonna begin the cinnamon cock challenge. And I'm calling out some people to do this. I am calling out. Do it with Dan, Yummy R6, Walterific, 5 guys to do the cinnamon cock challenge. So, it's on. I'll bet you got no balls. So, yeah, I'm calling you out. But yeah, anyway, in East Tennessee, we've been having this bit about these clowns. I don't know how widespread this is, but apparently they're actually like luring children in and stuff, which is not cool. Like luring children into the woods, which that's no fun. Fuck you! Fucking asshole, man! Shit! You not even fucking see me?